OPS tutorial, adding products to AI training. Before beginning, on another device go to the VMS website, locate the machine you will be training with, and select details. This will show you its QR code. Additionally, you must have 2 of the product you intend to train on hand. Follow the remaining instructions in the OPS website. 1. Select Collect Data. 2. Select Scan QR code. Then, use your phone camera to scan the QR code on the VMS site. 3. Choose the product you would like to begin training. 4. Once you choose to start collection, you will have 2 training stages, each of which are 30 seconds long. In stage 1, you will use one hand to place and remove the product from the left, middle, and right of every shelf. Stage 2 will automatically begin after 30 seconds. In stage 2, you will use one hand to hold 2 of the products in your hand, and repeat the process of placing the products in the left, middle, and right of every shelf. 5. Once training is complete, you will need to fill out the OPS Product Edition form. Once that is filled out, submit it to support-team@vendingconcepts.com. Additionally, for items such as snacks and food, it is best to train these items with product pushers in the machine. To continue training, use the top right collected button when done to start training another product.